Hi there everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and review for this torque wrench from Suzume Tools. A huge thank you to Suzume Tools for sending me over their half-inch torque wrench for me to unbox, test, and add to my 4Runner build. As you all know, I'm building a 4Runner, so this is definitely going to be my go-to torque wrench throughout the entire project. Suzume includes a solid storage case to keep the wrench protected and calibrated. It makes the tools easy to store, transport, and keep it in perfect shape. The ergonomic grip keeps your hand secure even when applying higher torque, better control and less fatigue during long install sessions. The torque scale is crisp and clean, making adjustments quick and accurate. It saves time during installs and make it easy to dial an exact torque spec for your project. The build is pretty solid. You can definitely feel there's a weight to it. It is made from top quality hardened chrome vanadium alloy steel. Now this torque wrench have a torque scale range of 10 to 170 foot-pounds. It is very versatile for various tasks, from small mounting bolts to high torque lug nuts. It features a smooth, clear, and easy to feel click once you reach your set torque. It prevents over-tightening or damaging components, super important when you're working on suspensions or alignment critical parts. Big shout out again to Suzume Tools for sending me this out for a quick unboxing and review, and for being part of my 4Runner build. You're going to be seeing this torque wrench a lot because it's officially my go-to for everything from suspension to wheels and beyond. So if you're looking for a reliable, accurate, and well-built torque wrench, or just tools in general for your DIY projects, make sure to visit SuzumeTools.com or look them up on Amazon. Just type in Suzume Tools. They definitely deserve a spot in your toolbox. So again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.